Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail. Today I'll tell you on mocktail name Guava Berry Delight. Very fancy mocktail you can try. First of all, take a shaker glass. You have to pour 60 ml of cranberry juice, 60 to 90 ml of cranberry juice. Then you have to pour 5 to 10 ml of lime juice, and then 10 ml of ginger and lime cordial. After that, you have to pour 30 ml of guava crush. Okay. After pouring all the ingredients, then you have to add some ice cube. Okay. Then shake all the ingredients properly. You have to take more time for this mocktail. Okay. Then take a fancy glass and pour all the mixing ingredients into the. Then simply you have to fill the glass with soda. Okay. After that, you can serve with raw mysterious, and you can garnish with guava or lime slices. See your Goa berry mocktail is blade mocktail is ready. I hope you like this mocktail. This refreshment mocktail you can try. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you like this mocktail.